Hey, so Phil, do you know what we're doing today?
No.
Do you know what you're doing today?
Mule's bike.
I'm glad I've explained what we're doing. Hi, and welcome to the channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is the behind-the-scenes narration talking head bit to explain how we did that. So let's get into it. Stop motion, according to the internet, is an animated filmmaking technique in which objects are physically manipulated in small increments between individually photographed frames so that they will appear to exhibit independent motion or change when the series of frames is played back. The sound effects really add texture for your ears. Here are some clips without the music. A lot of the sounds are things like jar lids being twisted, coins moving, obviously turning screws. If you can't find the right sound, sometimes you could layer several or adjust the playback speed of a sound to make it sound the way you want. Okay, let's talk about flying objects right now. A pure stop motion creator would take an articulating arm or wires and move an object, take a picture, move an object, take a picture, and slowly bend a wire or move an articulating arm to get an object in the air to seem like it's floating through space. I was in a hurry though, so I kind of cheated. I was in a hurry, so I tossed the camera on a tripod and held the shifters in front of a blue screen. I removed the background with the keying function and the masking tool. I added some motion blur, so cutting the flying objects out didn't have to be super accurate. This shot of the chain being animated is another one of my favorites because we did it the sort of sloppy, easy way, but it looks great. Phil's arm got a little tired, but it was really efficient. I just masked Phil out in post. We did the same thing with the cables. You can see Phil's hand on the right side. So how do you really sell a video? I think it's in the details. Here I've done a basic color grade. The sound effects are really key. You watch with your ears more than you think. Your brain fuses pictures and sound together. The last element to add is some music, and now you have a cool video. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see another weird bike video, check out this right here. Alright, that's it for today. I'll see you on the road.